I'm here today with a Lululemon haul. I got some requests to do some activewear hauls, and I haven't placed like a Gymshark order recently, which is typically where I get a lot of my athletic wear, or Amazon. But I did pick some stuff up from Lululemon recently. All of this stuff is still available. Some I got in Vegas, some I got right before, and I wanted to share them with you because a few of them, this one right here, epic. I'm going to show you all the colors I have of this beautiful jacket, why I love it so much. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video and you decide to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into my Lululemon haul. I got from Lululemon, I would not wear these together, but I got these shorts. I thought they were super cute and fun. Let me tilt you down a bit. They're in a size 4, I believe. I'm typically a size 2, but whatever. This is the Wonder Train. They're a lot tighter. So if these were lines, I would get a size 2, but I got a size 4. And they fit pretty tight on the thigh. But I liked the print of them. And if I went any bigger, they'd be too big on the waist. And then this little shirt, I'll see if I can find it. It was on clearance. So it's $38 instead of normally like $52 or something. And I just loved the color. So this I would wear, I'd probably even actually tie it. I know it's cropped, but it's so boxy. I got a size 2. I'd probably tie it right here, tie it in the back, and then wear it with some high-waisted pants, like high-waisted leggings. So this is what I got from Lululemon. If I can find this shirt, I'll link it, but I know I can find the shorts, so I'll link those. But I loved the print of them. I feel like they make your bum look pretty cute. So I am a fan of these from Lululemon. I also got this. This is the Scuba half zip. I want this in every color. This is the color, I believe, Trench. It's a really nice kind of off-white khaki color. And it's so cute. It's so warm. I love the cropped. It has little thumb holes. It is literally one of my favorite hoodies. It has like the little hood. I want this for sure in black. And then they had like a pink color, a gray, and maybe a blue, but I for sure want the pink, the black, and if they have a white. Oh, it's just so cute. And this I got in a size 4. So I just have a bralette from Julie Hicks on. It's in another one of my videos. And then these, I just kept these on. This is one of my favorite jackets of all time. I'm gonna show you how much I love it. So I recently just got this color. It's a beautiful burnt rust color. Perfect. I mean, I don't know that this color would look bad on anyone. It literally is the perfect color. It has a hood, which you can detach. This is super lightweight. This is the perfect spring jacket, especially if you live somewhere that you like still need a little bit of a jacket. We don't really have spring. It's going to be 80s, so I won't get a lot of use out of these this spring, but if you live in a normal climate, you will love this jacket. So you have pockets here and here. There is a bungee right here so that you can have this tightened. So let me show you what it looks like zipped up. So you can have it loose, or you can tighten these and have it like more cinched at the waist. I love the detail. It fits perfect. I'm a size 4. You have zipper pockets on the inside, on both sides. This color is phenomenal. Okay, let me show you the other colors. Are you guys ready? So the first color that started this all off was this color. I believe this color is called Trench, but it's a different color than that sweatshirt. So this is the color that started it all. Perfect neutral. This is the perfect neutral. It goes with browns. It goes with blacks. It goes with like every color. It goes with these pants. It pulls out a green. Depending on what you wear it with, it'll either pull more like green. It can pull more taupe. It can pull more brown. It's literally the perfect jacket, you guys. It's a little expensive, but I'm telling you, it is worth the investment. It is absolutely freaking phenomenal. So this is the color that got it started. Then I saw 3 colors come into stock, which is where the rust one, this black one, and then the next color I'll show you. So the black is classic. Like, look at this. Who is she? She's chic. This is the perfect wear to the gym. Perfect go for a run errands. Literally perfect. Like, you just elevate your workout outfit with this cute jacket. Leggings, you wear leggings a lot, this elevates your outfit so easily, so cute. So that's the black. And then the newer color, which is kind of out of my comfort zone, because I typically don't wear this shade, is this like really cool blue color. It's like a light icy blue, like a little minty, a little icy blue. She's cute and she matches these shorts. It pulls out those like smoky blue icy colors. Smoky and icy. I don't know if that's a thing, but isn't this cute? So this is what it looks like if you don't tighten those, because I haven't worn this one yet. So this is what it looks like if you don't tighten those. And again, this is super lightweight. To me, this is the perfect traveling jacket because you know the airports can kind of get cold and then the airplanes are cold, but then you get hot. So it's super lightweight, really, really easy. I'm going the wrong way. Really easy to fold up and stick in your bag because it's not bulky. So this is like perfect. Are you a soccer mom, baseball mom? You like have late games like we do, like some of our games are really late, so it's hot when we get there, but then it cools down, but it's not like quite sweatshirt weather, so I could wear a tank top, bring this in my bag, takes up virtually no space, and it's super lightweight, blocks the wind. So cute. Isn't this color so stinking cute? I love it. So these jackets are literally a must-have. Clearly, I bought 4 of them. So I've invested, I think they're like $128 each. So that's what, $400, almost $500 in these jackets, but they are phenomenal. Okay, and then the last is this really cute pair of leggings. These are the Aligns. The 25-inch is my favorite. I just really liked this blue kind of marbly print. I thought it was super cute. They hit perfectly on my ankles, nice stretch to them. I love the Aligns, and I just really wanted one of their fun marble pairs. I also have them in black too, so I'll make sure to link both. But they're very, very cute, very comfy. The lines have that seam right here, so you can get a little camel toe with it, but overall, they are pretty phenomenal. Guys, that is it for my Lululemon haul. I hope you enjoyed. What are some of your favorite must-have go-to pieces from Lululemon? Let me know down in the comments below. If you end up buying this jacket, please head over to Instagram. Let me know. Comment down here and let me know. This jacket is literally the best jacket. Clearly, I've spent like $500 on 4 of them. So, I mean, cumulative, 500 total. They're like 128, I think. Oh, it's just the best jacket ever. I got my friend Sam like hooked on them now. She got that trench color. I think this is the next color she's gonna get, and they are just literally the best jacket ever. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one.